To watch the latest from India Science, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications on all the science-related videos. The Earth's average distance from the Sun is typically 92.9 million miles, but its distance changes every 6 months. Come July, the Earth reaches its farthest point called aphelion. It is 94.5 million miles away from the Sun. The Northern Hemisphere experiences summers. This year, the event fell on July 5, 2021. In a tweet, an American astrophysicist, Neil deGrasse Tyson, explained that the Earth in its oval orbit is farther from the Sun than any other time of year. 6 months later, in January, the Earth reaches its closest point to the Sun at a distance of 91.4 million miles. We call it perihelion. During this period, most parts of the Northern Hemisphere witnesses brutal winters. Strange, isn't it? The Earth's distance changes by 3 million miles between perihelion and aphelion. This happens because of the Earth's orbit. It is almost and not wholly circular. So does Earth's distance have anything to do with the seasons? The answer is no. During aphelion in July, the Northern Hemisphere witnesses summers while the Southern Hemisphere sees winters. In contrast, during the perihelion in January, the Northern Hemisphere experiences winters while the Southern Hemisphere witnesses summers. This proves that the distance has nothing to do with the seasons. Now this begs the question, what determines seasons? The answer lies in the Earth's tilt. The Northern Hemisphere is tilted towards the Sun during aphelion. As a result, we see summers in the north and winters in the south. And in the perihelion, the Southern Hemisphere is tilted towards the Sun. Therefore, the southern part of the globe faces summers while the north shivers. You might have another question. Do perihelion and aphelion cause any changes on Earth? Yes, it affects the duration of seasons. The Earth moves slowly when it is farthest from the Sun, making summers longer in the Northern Hemisphere and winters longer in the southern part of the world by 5 days. What happens when Earth is at its closest point to the Sun? Well, winters are shorter in the Northern Hemisphere and summers shorter in the south.